A lot of people in my audience are trying to make money online or make money remotely, and they're not sure which business to get into. They're like, should I start a social media marketing? Should I make videos? Should I, build an audience? Should I drop ship? Should I wholesale? Should I try doing crypto? The list is endless. And I've spent the last, 4 years trying to figure out the simplest, fastest, easiest way for people to do it so I could actually direct some people to where I thought would help them the most. And so I've been tracking Skool for a long time, and when I started seeing the user success rates and I started seeing the activation rates of people who started using the software and building communities on there, people who had never built a business before, and being able to do it for so little and nothing to start, it got me intrigued, to say the least. But then once we launched the Skool Games, I became an absolute convert. I started seeing, people making $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $40,000 in recurring revenue on their first shot, just following the simple steps we laid out. And if you've been on the fence or you've been not sure what to do, if you start at zero and you have no expertise and no audience and no following, this is for you. And that's what we made the Skool Games for. And we have hundreds of people coming in every day, and we put over $1,000 of free training inside of it. And every single day, people are putting new and updated trainings into the Skool Games to help everyone else. And so it's one of the most lively communities of people actually doing this stuff every day, and you can start for free. And so if you've ever been on the fence, don't be. This is the time to do it. I think in 2024, it'll be probably the #1 opportunity for people who are getting started. And I think a lot of people are going to be able to finally build that dream business they've been wanting.